Good morning, folks. If you're wondering why I'm showing you an April 2010 animation, besides the fact that it was just released yesterday, look how Chinese pollution may have helped Fukushima's poison reach the west coast. My sister's there, and she's fast asleep. It's a constant struggle with the mainstream news determining what is truth, lies, fear-mongering. Imagine how I feel trying to decide what to report. I watch the mainstream still because I want to know their plan, what they want us to think. And right now, they want us to think Syria is about to get uglier. Keep your eyes on Ernesto. Our best hope is that it weakens because it is not going to change course. You can go ahead and just extend that line with your imagination. This is Torcon for the next few hours. It will be updated midday to show afternoon and evening threats. That North Pole quake was just the start. Bottom of the map wasn't going to be left out. A 4-pointer is higher than average in the Caribbean. We had a 6.1 in Peru, 6.3 in Papua New Guinea, a 5.1 on the Antarctic coast, and a second volcano on watch in New Zealand. When we met yesterday, it was space weather quiet. Then not so much. Solar wind speed going from around 300 kilometers per second up over 500. Density is up as well. If you caught the addendum video yesterday, you know I was mistaken about the CME impact 2 days ago. Happened right after yesterday's news. This thing took a full 4 days to get here, but when it did, it was unmissable on every magnetometer, and a brief geomagnetic storm ensued. Having a look at the southeastern active regions on the Sun, NOAA's Beta Gamma spot is up north, and I know there haven't been any big flares for days, but this southern region has the magnetics of a monster, and that's where my eyes are. The leading set is developing, and the trailers are all bipolar. Oh yeah, not to mention that writhing between them is that dark, thin plasma filament. Any instability could set it off, and everything here will be facing Earth soon. As you look at some of the upcoming conjunctions and oppositions for the weeks ahead, the earthquake watch from last week is over, but activity is still high and becoming concerning, especially near the poles. I get the feeling most of you are on watch, prepared, even without my saying so, and I gotta think that's a pretty solid plan right now. That's the news, folks. Be safe, everyone.